Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, again, we have another tutorial for the IW8 Smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the watch face of the wearable. Let's see if what are the offered watch faces for the smartwatch, as well as the downloadable or custom watch face for the wearable. Okay, so before we proceed to the watch face section of the RDFit support app, again, if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so before we download the watch face or a watch face from the support app, let's check first the available watch faces in the smartwatch. So we have here, okay, one, an animated watch face, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, so again, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, we have at least 8 watch faces, okay, preloaded to the W8 smartwatch. Again, you can change the watch face just by, okay, rotating the crown button here. I don't know if the long press still works. Oh no, so it's not working. So to be able to change the watch face, just use the crown button, or you can go here on the setting. Go to the settings. Let's check. Is it available here? Oh, it's not available here. I think it's only in the crown button. Okay, they already integrated it in the crown button. Brightness screen. Okay, let's increase this one. So the changing of watch faces is already integrated in the crown button. The long press also is not working. Okay, the only way to change the watch face here is by rotating the crown button here. Okay, so that's it for the preloaded watch face for the IW8 smartwatch. So here on our support app, it is also, there's a section for the watch face. So we have here the watch face market. Just tap on more and you will see several watch faces here. Okay, so this one a pointer, or in other words, we have the analog section here. So we have a comprehensive list of analog watch faces here, and it's all free, I think. Okay, nice. So it has a lot of watch faces for the RDFit. Okay, much better than the Wear Fit Pro, I think. Okay, we have the digit or the digital. Okay, so it's also loaded with comprehensive list of watch faces here, and we have the customized. Okay, so let's go first with the pointer. Let's look for a quality watch face here, and let's see whether we can really download the watch face or not. Okay, so let's go for this one. Okay, looks professional. And once you tap it, okay, it is automatically being pushed to your smartwatch. Okay, there's no more question whether you like it or not. Okay, or are you sure that you want to download it. Once you tap this watch face, it will proceed to downloading the dial to your smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the progress bar. We are on 75%, 82, 83, 84. We are 96, 98%, and I guess we are done. Let's just wait. And okay, so that's it. Okay, very fast. We successfully downloaded a watch face to our wearable. It's an analog watch face. Okay, I also like this one. Okay, how about for the digital watch face here? So let's try to install. And I'm impressed with the list of watch faces here. And it's all free. Okay? There's no ads. As you can see, no ad for the watch face here. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this is colorful. Tap on it and it's already downloading the resource file. Okay, so far no issues and it's fast. Okay, let's see, 17%, 25. Okay, I like the RDFit. I think it's getting better and better compared to other support app that is left behind when it comes to updates. So this one, it's somewhat, it is improving. Okay, 88%, and we have 100% here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, wow, nice. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful watch face here. Okay, let's go to the customizer or the custom watch face. You can select a picture here. So tap on select, permission for shoot. Okay, allow it. So take a photo or album. Let's go to the album section here. Okay, so this one, let's try. Okay, so the time you can adjust it here. Let's put it on, there's no center. Okay, let's just put it here. Okay, so far no options for the color here for the time and the font. Okay, then I think if we are done, let's stop here. Let's see. So here's downloading the watch face. So let's see, 11%. Okay, so far no problem with the digital watch face and the analog watch face. Let's hope that we will not encounter any issues with the custom watch face. Oops. See, wait, and okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a custom watch face for our smartwatch. So far everything works, and let's see if we can still see our previously downloaded watch face. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, so the preloaded watch face here, okay, are somewhat permanent. You can only change one. Okay, you cannot store it so far. Okay, so let's try another one here. Digital or analog? Go to the digital section. Okay, let's see, let's look for another example. Okay, so that's it. Watch face with a lot of data here. Let's check. Okay, where's that? The previous one. Okay, this one. Let's try this. Looks hip. Okay, so we are downloading the watch face now. Okay, so far everything works for the watch face section of the IW8 Smartwatch. Okay, so no problem with the RDFit support app for installing and downloading the watch faces. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye. Okay, oh, okay, we're done.